Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Only Way contest portal, then enable two-factor authentication. This secures your entries. Once logged in, navigate directly to the Algicosathlon Leaderboard and set the displayed time zone to your local zone, so times and windows align. Make sure to grant API read permission if you plan to automate checks or sync standings, because without it, automated tools can't pull live ranks. Once these prerequisites are done, you're ready to retrieve real data and take the first actionable steps. Next, you filter the leaderboard by division and problem set to narrow competition. This shows relevant peers and eliminates noise. Then export the view via CSV or call the API endpoint to pull the top N rows. This lets you compute trends locally. Once you have data, sync submission ID from your account against leaderboard entries to validate that scores correspond to your runs. If discrepancies appear, mark those rows for review and keep a time-stamped snapshot. This preserves evidence for any later disputes. Finally, verify your final rank by checking timestamps, score breakdown, and submission checksums so the result is indisputable. If you discover a mismatch, immediately collect supporting materials. Submission logs, screenshots of the leaderboard, and raw API responses. These prove the timeline. Then contact contest operations with a concise summary and attached evidence. Request a correction and state the desired outcome. One troubleshooting tip: if ops is slow, post a public status note in the contest channel with your evidence to prompt a faster review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.